Greetings and salutations. I'm Madison, and in today's video I will be demonstrating how you can create 7 distinct outfits using one dress. Over the years I have noticed a great disdain for outfit repeating, which I find interesting. I have never believed in that philosophy that you can only wear something once or twice and then discard it. Not only is this rather weighty on the pocketbook, it is also quite wasteful. On the flip side, there are people who always wear the same thing. They have 1 or 2 simple pieces that after a while become rather boring because they wear them the same way every time. One of my favorite things about the 1930s and 40s is their tendency to reuse, recycle, and make do and mend. They would alter their clothing to fit the style of the day rather than just buy new. Also, they would style what they already had in different ways to create new outfits on a minimum budget. In this video, I hope to give you some inspiration to get more out of the pieces that you have invested in and find some different ways to wear them so you get the most out of your wardrobe. This dress will be the base for our outfits. A simple black sheath dress with short sleeves and a knee-high hemline. The first outfit demonstrates how you can put a simple skirt over top of a dress to create a completely different look and silhouette. Just be sure that the skirt is long enough to hide the dress's hemline. For accessories, I paired this outfit with a gold tennis bracelet and a vintage gold beaded necklace. My heels were kindly sent to me from the company 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲 to test out and review. These pumps are made of a fabric material sourced from recycled plastics. Because of this, the shoes conform to the shape of the foot, which makes them so comfortable as well as easy to clean. I was also impressed with the sizing. It was pretty spot on, with only a little rubbing at the back of the heel, which is pretty common for me. That happens a lot. It was not planned, but I just kept on coming back to these shoes when putting together outfits, so you will see them several times throughout this video. If you are interested in purchasing these pumps, I have a link and a discount code available in the description box below. Outfit number 2 features a brightly colored floral scarf as a belt, which adds a pop of color to the basic black dress. To emphasize the different colors in the scarf, I took cues from the scarf's color palette by wearing an orange sun hat, a pink floral brooch, and a cranberry velvet handbag. And again, I paired this outfit with my pumps from 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲. Switching from a spring outfit to a more winter-appropriate ensemble, I am wearing another print scarf. However, this time I'm wearing it around the neck instead of the waist. This outfit is completed with a color complementary brooch, a gray wool tilt hat, and a gray wool blazer. My handbag of choice is this black satchel, and for shoes, black knee-high riding boots. This next outfit is a little more fancy and chic than my previous ones. This time I tied a red, black, and gold chain print scarf high up on my neck to change the neckline of the dress. Then I added red and gold pops of color throughout the outfit to accentuate the red and gold in the scarf. Outfit number 5 plays around with two styling ideas. The first is tucking the dress into a pair of wide-leg trousers. This technique works best with skirts that do not have a great deal of volume, and it works best if you tuck the skirt into wide-leg trousers that have plenty of room. A fuller skirt usually does not work as well. The second styling idea is monochrome, adding patterns and points of interest to the outfit without adding any color. This next outfit was not my favorite. I found it quite difficult to make a white blouse and a black dress not look like a nun's costume or a Halloween outfit. After some experimenting, I realized that adding bright pops of color helped to elevate the look from costumey to classy. After not being very successful the first time with layering a blouse under this dress, I thought, why not try again, this time using my maroon blouse with ruffled cuffs and collar. This attempt was much more successful, especially after I tucked in the sleeves of the dress. After tucking them in, it created a seamless line from the dress to the sleeves of the blouse. In addition to the maroon blouse, I added a vintage maroon velvet hat, a gold brooch, lace gloves, and a vintage black and gold handbag. I hope that you enjoyed this video and are inspired to experiment with your own wardrobe. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to financially support me and my work, you can give a donation through my Ko-fi page, which is linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.